Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm simply going to be showing you how you can buy Tether, also known as USDT, on your Trust wallet. First of all, we're going to have to get its BEP20 contract address, seeing as Trust wallet is native to the BNB Smart Chain network. So by simply scrolling down, you're met with its Ethereum address, and also by clicking on the more, you get to see its BNB Smart Chain. So you simply press this copy here, click on this copy. Once you're done, you simply minimize. The site is coinmarketcap.com. The link would be in the description of the video, so you can get your contract address here. You minimize, open up Trust Wallets, and once Trust Wallet is opened up, you're simply going to be possessing some BNB for transactions and BEP20 tokens for swaps and trades. So we're going to be clicking on browser, clicking on Pancake Swap, and then the three-dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen, which stands for the Ethereum and other networks. We're going to be clicking on that and clicking on the BNB Smart Chain network, which is in turn going to give us BEP20 transactions. So by simply clicking on this Tron and pasting the contract address we just copied, which goes for the USDT, you simply click on this, click on EG, and in the place of EG, we're going to be swapping our near for some of the USDT. So simply click on max, and we're going to be getting $1.65 worth of USD in exchange for $1.65 worth of USDT on the BEP20 network. So click on confirm and then proceed to click on swap. You could as well set your slippage tolerance to 1.0%. As you can see, they are low risk tokens or transactions. So simply click on swap, click on confirm swap. Smart contract call pulls in for about 2 cents. So you simply click on approve and boom, it's done. Add USDT to wallet, click on OK, close this. Head over to the tokens menu where you simply do some basic reloads. And once you've reloaded, as you can see, we've got our USDT right here. So the next step, if you were to get USDT on the Ethereum network, you simply minimize, open up the exchange known as Binance. It's a centralized exchange, and they deal on cryptocurrency tradings. So basically, what you're going to do, you're going to deposit your USDT BEP20 here. So click on deposit, click on USDT, and deposit it on the BEP20 network. And once you've copied this wallet address and pasted on your Trust wallet and you sent the USDT here, all you simply need to do is when withdrawing, head over to your wallets, click on withdraw, click on USDT, click on send via crypto network. You make sure the network you're sending it on is the Ethereum network. The gas fees are really huge, but yeah, that's how you get your ERC20. And in order to do any of these transactions, you're going to need an Binance account. And to get a Binance account, you can simply use the link in the description of the video. So you can earn a free $100 trading fee rebate just by clicking that link. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.